I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. Save me too. Yeah, I need.
This is the life Maddie's living. Her dad brought her breakfast. She's still sleeping. She is sleeping in. Good morning. Are you ready for?
I need my green shirt.
You need your green shirt. Where is it?
In the laundry room in the brown basket.
It's dirty. Oh man.
No,
It's dirty?
no.
It's not dirty? Why is it in the laundry?
I took it in there for accident.
You put it in there on accident?
Yeah.
I think it's dirty. Alright, well we're gonna go wash it.
Okay.
Good morning, Leah. She's still sleeping. I'm washing Jackson's uniform because it was dirty. It didn't get washed on Sunday because he brought his stuff in late after laundry had finished, and I didn't really think that he would need that shirt, but he has a field trip today, so they have to wear their school shirt. So I'm doing laundry early in the morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today's gonna be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Hubby just woke up, and I hope you guys can hear me because the TV's going, the washer's going, because like I said, Jackson uniform top was dirty. Well, it's my fault, but it's also his fault because he didn't bring his, because I usually do their uniform. I'm going to lie. I usually do their uniforms every single Sunday. I make sure all their uniforms are washed and clean, but I did it on Friday because there were, I did it on Friday, and he had his stuff in his room, so he brought it out after, and I was like, he already had some clean shirts, so I didn't. Long story short, it was sitting in the thing, so I had to do, hubby brought me breakfast, but I'm not, I'm still doing, my intermittent fasting, so I won't be able to eat that. He brought me breakfast because we had a really huge fight last night, and I guess that's his way of saying I am sorry, or he apologized, but I accept your apology, but not the food. I probably could eat it later when I do decide to break my fast. But I woke up, yesterday I was in like a really sucky mood because, you know, something else happened to Maddie that her dad wanted me not to share, and less than a week later, you know, the trampoline accident happened, and I'm just like feeling like the crappiest mother, you know, because my husband said something yesterday that really made me really sad, and I know he said it because he was angry, and I kind of like was reflecting on it. Well, not reflecting on it, I was like dwelling on it because it kind of hurt my feelings. But I was able to go to sleep. I was like, I'm not going to sit here all night and just dwell on something that I know is not true. I can't be at all places at once. You know what I mean? I was upstairs getting dressed. I did not know the children were outside on the trampoline. They did not say that they were going out there to go play on the trampoline. I had no idea that they have Maddie out there. Even the doctor said, he was like, when did this happen? Yesterday? And I was like, no, this morning. It happened this morning, right before they went to school. He was like, that early for trampoline? I was like, that's my children. But anyways, we're going to have a good day. Thank you guys so much for all your nice comments towards Maddie. I really appreciate it. And let's get this day started. Good morning, guys. She is really tired. She is so tired. Hey, Mama. Hey, Bucky. So, when she gets up, I have to put her little cast on because I don't let her sleep in it. So, we're gonna put that on once she gets up. But she's never slept in this late. Hey, Mama. She's tired. As soon as I turned off the camera, she woke up. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Daddy. Can you guys tell she's not a morning person? She's definitely not a morning person. Good morning, Maddie. Good morning. Can tell your friends good morning. Uh-huh. Good morning. Good morning. Wake up. What? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Daddy brought you breakfast. Daddy wanted you to have breakfast in bed. You don't want it? No? Well, go tell Daddy you don't want his breakfast. Say thank you. All right, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. What's going on? What happened? Your foot? It still hurts? It still hurts? Yeah? Okay. All right, let's take a look at it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let me see. This one?
No.
Yeah? It still hurt? Where it hurt? Show mommy where it hurts. Where it hurt? Right here? Here? I know it happened on the trampoline, but where does it hurt? I know where it happened. I know it happened outside. But I'm asking if it still hurts. I don't see any swelling, guys. And that's what puzzles the doctors. There's no swelling. They did the x-ray. And she's still complaining. Come on. All right, come down. I'm gonna go see Daddy. See? All right, let go. All right, go walk. Come on, come to mommy. Come on. Walk to mommy. Let go. Okay, all right. Put your foot down, flat. Put that down. Okay, put that one down flat. All right, walk to mommy. Come on, walk to me. Okay, all right. Put your foot down flat. Okay, good. Put that one down flat. All right. Come to mommy. You're okay. You are okay. Come to mommy. Come here. Come get kisses. Come here. Come to mommy. Come in. Come here. Come get kisses. Yes. Come here, girl. Ooh. Okay. All right. Look, Daddy. Go to Daddy. Go. The safest place for a child is on her father's lap. Right, little one? So I put her cast back on just to be on the safe side. So,
Go downstairs.
What time is it?
Get.
I gotta put Jackson's stuff in the dryer so we can get going. What time you work, honey?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Oh, getting later and later.
You gotta go.
You want me to make us lunch?
I think I'm just gonna dry his shirt. Just random AF. I think I'm gonna put everything. Because I don't want to forget that I have this little bit of load. So.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even.
All right, I need to sign homeworks, and Jackson, I need to do your reading log. So I'm gonna go plot my big butt over here. So I need everybody to bring me their stuff so I can sign, because I'm not doing this signing thing in the car. So if you need signature, I'm gonna be here for 5 minutes. I'm drying your shirt right now. Finish your lunch, but bring me your folder so I can sign. So I'm gonna sign the homework. Yes, you can have donut. Whoever can't have donut, they can have Pop-Tart. And don't forget to what are you guys having? Tell me what you're having. Just a disclaimer, because I know I'm going to have someone say, well, how can they make their lunch and bring you homework? Well, not all the kids were doing lunch at the same time.
See ya.
Are you coming to kiss me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't kiss you with the
Take
phone
me
in
right
between us.
now. Come on, take me.
I can't take you.
Why?
The phone is between us.
Babe, that's it? That's all you made me put the camera down for? It's just a peck on the lips?
Yeah. Bye, buddy.
I thought you was going to do more. Just a peck on the lips. Okay.
Good morning.
I'll take it. Have a good day at work, honey. Don't try. Do it. Bye.
Early as the carpool, we didn't get our sign. Oh yeah, because we were too late.
What sign?
Our signature, because he didn't sign it yet. Yeah. Because we were early.
Is this someone's power?
I was early? What does that mean?
We were doing something and picking our books for the book report, and then Miss Kim called, and then you were one, so we had to go.
Okay.
But we did do it. We had to do it.
All right. Well, I'm still waiting for Jackson's
Where's the
stuff.
water?
Oh, it's right there.
Maddie has it.
Mommy, it's right
Give Daddy his stuff, Mighty.
She can drink it. That's fine.
Right here.
Jordan, remove that plug from there.
Mommy, it's right here in my bag.
Go.
Bye, honey. Love you.
It's right here in my bag.
Why are you turning off all the lights in the house?
Turn those lights
We're
on.
still here.
I don't turn those lights on.
Where's Crunch?
Let me get that ball.
I'm not going out.
Oh.
Bye. I set it for 80 minutes, so 10, 20. Hasn't even been maybe 30 minutes. Not even. And we are just the older kids. Is that the older kids?
Yes.
Is that yours or the kids? The older kids. There's two.
That's mine.
This is yours. All right. Change. You can get dressed. And this little load is finished. I love my dryer. All right. Say your memory verse. This is why I pay so much money for them to go to private school. So say your memory verse.
Blessed is the person who keeps on going when times are hard. James 1:12.
I needed to hear that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It is good.
It is good.
Why do you think everything you do is not good? It's perfect.
The legs are messed up. His hands are weird, and
doesn't
this
matter.
is just
It's
dark.
It doesn't matter. It's perfect. I love it. You did a good job.
You traced it.
So he wanted to share his artwork with you guys.
It's cool.
Good job.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. All right, let's go. We got to go. We got to go. Let's break up this now, Maddie. So, yours truly is back in the house, and I'm excited because I got good news when it comes to kids' schooling. I wasn't going to send them back for many, many, many reasons, but then I spoke with the secretary, who's like the backbone of, you know, everything that has to do with my children at that school, and I love her. I love her so much. And we talked, and I was like, why not? So we're gonna have hey. So we talked, and we're gonna have the same setup. I think it's gonna be the same setup. I believe I have to finish numbers and stuff. So I told her once I get the go ahead from hubby, which is the end of February, because everything else is end of February. Like, I can't tell you guys what's going on until end of February. I can't make a decision on the kids' school until end of February. So I told her once hubby gives me the go ahead with the finance situation, then I will let her know what we're doing. But I'm 99% sure that they're going back next year, because I don't have it in me to homeschool. Anyways, guys, this is it for this video. I can't do longer than 15-minute videos on my phone. But the good thing about recording on my phone is it's easy to upload and do all of that. We're coming, okay? I tend to include all my personalities when I'm speaking. So I have to end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning situation. This is our morning every single day. Except hubby and I do not fight every single night, so minus that, take that out of it, and yeah, that's our morning. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there, over here, and become a sunshine. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.